Hello guys, it's Bricky Bricks here to show you a modified set today, and it's a modified city set. It is set 7939 passenger train. Has all these power functions. You could still find it for sale, but it's sold out at Lego Shop at Home as of the time of this video being uploaded in the year 2015. I'm surprised they haven't retired it yet, since there's 60061, the high-speed passenger train. So I will show you my modifications to this red train. Let's get started. Here is the modified passenger train here. And as you can see, there were no modifications to the exterior of the train as the train driver can say, but he says that there were some changes in the interior. So let's take a look at the interior. I have put in some tiling on both of the carriages, and I moved some seats around. There would be two more seats where this blue seat, as you can see here, is supposed to be with another table and another seat. But this is where it's supposed to be, like, probably another worker from the train company would sit here just in case of an emergency. Because I would think this train would go somewhere along. And yeah, it was kind of hard to do because of these tires. As you can see, whoops, it has this on the top, and there's some holes right there. I had to make sure I wasn't covering up the hole with this part sticking out, which sometimes made the seats jump up. Oh, and I can't seem to put it. So, as you can hopefully see, you can see right here, it's a step up from here. I had to do that for the wheel so that the tile wouldn't be popping up. So here is the middle car, and let's look at the second car. Here is the inside of the second car. I took the windows out so you could see a bit better. You could see better the plate higher that I had to do because of the wheels. For this one too. Only this one, it's shorter than the middle car, so. The thing that's different about this one is the seating, and that it has more people. The seating right on these three, they are not facing each other, because would you like to be looking at a stranger? So yeah, I guess these two are buddies or something. There's a table in the middle, and I don't know, they're just talking as waffle, and they're probably eating, so. This concludes the modified set 7939 passenger train ages 6 to 12 from Lego City. And it was a limited edition set. So if you would like more videos from me, Bricky Brick Bricks, please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all later.